Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the RAW file in Develop so you preserve data and avoid artifacts. Once done, zoom to 100% to see the blur clearly and enable the Detail panel. Make sure sharpening is on. Increase amount modestly while raising radius only if edges need definition. Use masking to limit sharpening to high contrast boundaries so noise doesn't amplify. This gives you a controlled first pass that targets motion edge detail without wrecking flat tone areas. Next, you refine by working selectively. Paint the adjustment brush over motion-affected regions and boost sharpness plus texture to bring back mid-frequency detail. While you paint, hold Alt/Option and watch the mask overlay so you avoid halos. This precision keeps backgrounds intact. If the blur is directional, rotate and use the transform tools to correct perspective before final touch-ups. For stubborn motion blur, export a TIFF and run a deconvolution-based plugin, then re-import for final tonal work. To finish, inspect the image at both 100% and full frame, comparing before and after so you confirm improvements without new artifacts. Once satisfied, apply gentle noise reduction on luminance to clean any grain the sharpening introduced, but keep an eye on edge detail so it doesn't soften again. If you notice halos or ringing, reduce sharpening radius, increase masking, or locally erase the effect with a smaller brush. These fixes resolve the most common problems and preserve a natural look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.